Did you know there's one tiny spot in your body with more nerve endings than anywhere else, and it exists purely for pleasure? It's your clitoris, and brand new research shows it has over 10,000 nerve endings. That's more than double the penis glands when everything connects your brain, heart, and every muscle join the celebration. Let's see how your body creates this magic. Here's your pelvic region in cross-section. The clitoris, vagina, uterus, and powerful pelvic floor muscles all work together. Most of the clitoris is actually internal. Its legs and bulbs wrap around the vagina like an iceberg. And that's just the beginning. Arousal often begins with a thought, a touch, or even a glance. Your brain's limbic system lights up first. Your brain sends rapid signals through the spinal cord straight to your pelvis. Flipping the switch on, pleasure parasympathetic nerves trigger blood vessels to open wide, warm blood rushes into the clitoral bulbs and cura, the clitoris doubles in size, labia become fuller and more sensitive, and your body prepares for pleasure. Vaginal walls release clear fluid, and Bartholin's glands add extra slipperiness. Your body is getting ready. Our heart beats faster, breathing deepens, and even your nipples become more sensitive. The hidden legs and bulbs of your clitoris fill completely, pressing gently against the vaginal wall. The front vaginal wall, sometimes called the G-spot, swells and becomes incredibly sensitive. Your powerful pelvic floor muscles tense like a coiled spring, storing incredible energy. Every touch now feels magnified. Your body is perfectly primed for the next level. Continued stimulation creates rhythmic pulsing through your entire pelvic network. When tension and signals reach critical mass, your body crosses the threshold into orgasm. Your pelvic floor muscles start powerful rhythmic contractions every 0.8 seconds. Your uterus and vaginal walls also contract in beautiful synchronized waves. Toes, curl back arches, and pleasure radiates through your entire body. The prefrontal cortex, your control center, quiets down, allowing total surrender to pleasure. Your brain's reward center floods with dopamine, creating that intense euphoric rush. Your uterus and vaginal walls also contract in beautiful synchronized waves. Amygdala, hippocampus, and cerebellum all light up together. Your entire brain celebrates, unlike many men. Most women have no refractory period. You can keep going if stimulation continues. Only about 18% of women orgasm from penetration alone. Most need direct clitoral touch. The clitoris is the only organ in the human body whose single purpose is pleasure. Nothing else. Some women orgasm from nipple stimulation, deep kissing, or even powerful thoughts. Alone, the average orgasm lasts 20-30 seconds, but the afterglow and emotional high can linger for hours. Regular orgasms lower stress, boost immunity, improve sleep, and strengthen your pelvic floor, estrogen, and testosterone. In women also play key roles in sensitivity and sexual desire. Scientists believe it strengthens pair bonding and may help with sperm transport evolution's gift clitoral blended nipple or even sleep orgasms. They're all real, powerful, and completely normal. Most women need 15 to 20 minutes of foreplay for full arousal. Rushing misses the magic. Everybody is different. Self-exploration helps you discover exactly what feels best for you. If orgasms feel elusive, it's common and often fixable. Talk to a doctor or sex-positive therapist. The best sex happens when you communicate clearly and kindly about what you like. Daily Kegel exercises make your pelvic floor stronger, leading to more intense, controllable orgasms. If orgasms feel elusive, it's common and often fixable. Talk to a doctor or sex-positive therapist. This incredible pleasure system lives inside every woman, ready to bring joy, connection, and wonder. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe. We explain your body like no one else does. Like, comment your biggest takeaway, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Thanks for watching.